everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today, I will show you how to create single-phase loads or single-phase distribution box from a three-phase system like the one we have here. This is the single-line diagram we completed before. I've added two more dBs to these circuits, dB1 and dB2. They are on the next page. Let's take a look at what I've done. To save time, I won't show you how to draw everything, since it's quite simple. Why did I create two different boxes this way? In dB1, I set it up so it goes L1, L2, L3, L1, L2, L3, and so on. In dB2, I set it up so all of these are L1, all of the second row are L2, and so on. All of the third row are L3, as you can see here. You might wonder why these are all locked. There is a feature in the settings called automatic phase balancing. If this is checked, the software will automatically balance the phases in your single line, changing them to L1, L2, L3, and so on. This ensures the phases are balanced. This is how you can design a board using single-phase loads. There are different ways to draw it, and for each bus, you can add a circuit breaker if you want. But it's up to you to add them. This is very simple to do, and you can easily replicate these boards by copying what you need. In a normal design, the boards on level 1 and level 2 will be more or less the same. That's all I wanted to share with you today. Try it out and join us for future videos. Thank you very much. Have a good day.